Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today I will be showing you my hot oil treatment routine, so if you're interested, keep on watching. The first step is to heat up the oil, of course, so I'm going to start by bringing a pot of water to a boil. I chose the stove route, but you can also heat the water up in the microwave if you choose to. Both methods work, so do whatever you feel. Then I'm going to transfer the boiling water into a bowl and simply place the bottle of oil in the hot water to heat it up for about 5 minutes. After heating up the oil, I allow it to cool off a little bit, and I make sure that I test it on the back of my hand before applying it to my scalp because I'm not trying to burn myself. Then I section my hair off into smaller sections and begin applying the oil to my hair. I didn't have a lot of wild growth hair oil left, so I went ahead and added the 5 essential oils mixed from African Pride and some Jamaican black castor oil to that same applicator bottle. I do not recommend using wild growth hair oil as a hot oil treatment on its own because it is a pain to wash out. Been there, done that, almost used a whole bottle of shampoo. Don't do it, you've been warned. After working the oil into the section, I massage my scalp with the pads of my fingers and follow up with my scalp massager. And after working it all in and making sure I covered every strand, I twist up the section and repeat the process on the remainder of my head. So when I feel like my hair isn't cooperating, it's dry, brittle, and can use a little extra something, it either needs a trim, it's time for a hot oil treatment, or both. But this video is about my hot oil treatment routine, so when I feel the need, I use hot oil treatments as a pre-poo in my wash day routine. Hot oil treatments have quite a few benefits. They help to strengthen the hair, to increase blood flow to the scalp, which in turn may promote healthy hair growth. Hot oil treatments can also help with reducing frizz, with dandruff relief, split ends, dry scalp, sealing in moisture, all the things. So I highly recommend incorporating hot oil treatments into your hair care regimen wherever and however often you see fit. I'm done talking though. I'm gonna let y'all finish watching the application process and I'll be back when I finish applying the oil. After applying the oil, I cover my head with my deep conditioning cap and I leave it on for at least 30 minutes before rinsing it out. And after rinsing out the oil, I complete the rest of the steps in my wash day routine. So this is what my hair is looking like. I hope y'all enjoyed this hot oil treatment routine and that it was helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all you people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.